Guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have a special video. We're gonna be replacing the old factory exhaust that came with this 63 AMG from the factory. We just want this car to breathe a little bit better. All right, here is the full exhaust system. This is the valved exhaust system. I also have the downpipes. Got this from German Car Accessories. I will also be linking their description in the box below if you guys are all interested. They sell a lot of products for, you know, all these German vehicles. If you want to mod them, they have something for you there. But here is the setup. The only thing is there are no instructions, so we're gonna have to kind of piece this together and see how we do this. But let's go ahead and remove the old exhaust off of this one. But before, let's go ahead and see how this sounds stock. Let's go ahead and start from the mid pipe where the resonator is at. So we have a E12 Torx, one clamp here and one clamp there. Doesn't take too much. Now we have exhaust hangers that run here and then on the opposite side as well. I'm gonna try to use this long flathead to see if it works. Try not to damage this. We're gonna try to do it on the other side as well. All right, let me show you the next hanger. The exhaust hanger one, and then the other one is right there. You see that rubber one right there. So take that off. Just be careful. Don't let this exhaust hit your head, you know, knock your teeth out. Switch out, maybe put something here while you're trying to take this off. But you don't want to go toothless after this, so make sure you're grabbing this when you're taking this off. I did this one already. Goes out. I gotta do this bad boy. Maybe some WD-40 would help too. And let's go ahead and do this for the driver's side as well.
That's off already.
There we go, that one's off. Let's try to do this one. All right, this exhaust is ready to go, so all right, with the exhaust out of the way, I left the trail of water. I'm gonna go based on this, start building it, put the bends. You know, the only thing I don't like about that one is that, but we'll see. It doesn't have the support brace in the middle, so both of them don't move. So, but anyways, I'm gonna go based on this, put it together. But before that, I kind of want to hear how this sounds without the mid pipes and the actual muffler. So let's do a quick turn on. Dude, holy shit, that shit is freaking loud. No way I'm gonna have it like that, but definitely I'm gonna go ahead and put this valve exhaust. I'm gonna take my time, bolt it in there, but yeah, this thing is super loud. Definitely gonna get in trouble around the neighborhood. So let's just go ahead and put this valve exhaust. All right, quick note. I did notice you gotta line up the X with the X, C with C, K with the K. So letters are there. You have to match them up. So it's not that hard. It's pretty simple. So we're just gonna go ahead and bolt it in there. We got all the exhausts lined up. Now we just gotta bolt it down. All right, let's go ahead and put the tips on. I initially went with the black tips. Obviously this time the chrome ones, but I also noticed that these black tips, they're not gonna fit because they don't have a clamp and they're not, you know, wide or recessed to fit in that pipe. So we might just have to use the chrome ones, which they have the clamp and they have the slits in there so this thing can slide and then you can tighten it up. So unfortunately, I'm just gonna go with the chrome ones. Down the road, I'm probably gonna have to take this to the muffler shop to get those probably welded or something, make the fitting a little bit the piping wider. But that'll be down the road. Let's go ahead and put these chrome tips on. We go. Do feel like they do stick out just a tad bit from like the originals. Kind of want this just a tad bit inside. So anyway, let's go ahead and bolt them on. All right, let's check out the controller. We got the actual black box here with the 2 leads in there. Power wire that's gonna go to your cigarette lighter, which we have one in the trunk, and then you're gonna connect this here. Your 2 cables that go on each valve, 1, 2, and then we have your antenna, which we're gonna put it right here. Obviously comes with your 2 remotes. There you go. Pretty solid. These are pretty heavy. Alrighty, let's go ahead and put this in the trunk. Let's find an opening. Normally we're trying to look for a grommet where we can snake our wires in. Back of the trunk, and I think I'm gonna go. There's a grommet right there. Take that one off, and then there's another one right there. Right there. I'm gonna take those off, fish the wires, and I'm gonna see where I'm gonna put the black box. All right, change of plans. We removed the actual spare tire from here. The opening on the side is just too small. The connector's not gonna fit through there. So we found this plug hole right there. We're gonna fish both lines through there, and then we're gonna send each plug to its valve, and then we'll probably put that black box here or here. I'll bring you guys back to that. All right, we are finished routing the wires. So they're coming through here. Box is there, connections, power, antenna, and then it's gonna go plugged into your cigarette lighter. So let's go ahead and fix this thing. All right, let's go ahead and start her up. Hopefully I don't have any exhaust leaks. We are inside the vehicle. Valves are closed. The car is warmed up already. Let's give it a few revs. It's quiet in here, yeah. It's not bad, it's not bad. And now let's open the valves on. There we go. Give it a few revs. Oh, damn. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get in trouble out here. It does sound more, I don't know, it sounds good for sure. Like it's, I don't know, it does, the tune of the exhaust sounds refined. So it sounds good. Yeah, let's go do some road test. But before we do that, let's go ahead and hear these the exhaust from outside again. So second gear, high RPM. Yeah, this sounds nice. Alright, so now we got the valves closed. It's quiet for sure. Definitely, it's a good feature when you want to be less noisy, so this is good. And the other plus thing about this exhaust system is that there's no drone inside the cabin, so that's definitely a plus, because you know that drone can kind of get annoying at times and it's not fun, so that's good. All right, now we're gonna do the flybys. We're gonna do slow, mid, and then a little quick, so let's go ahead. All right, guys, we are back from the test drive, and this exhaust makes a big difference day and night for sure. So if you guys are interested in getting a valved exhaust, don't even hesitate. Just go ahead and buy it. But I'm gonna put their link below. Again, I got this full exhaust system from German Car Accessories, so check them out. I'm gonna put that link in the description. Put their website. Check them out. You won't regret it. I'm totally happy with this product, so I'm definitely gonna probably buy one for the SQ5. And if you guys found this video helpful or entertaining, please hit the like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.